Many washers and dryers have electronic touch panel controls, but Speed Queen electronic controls are designed to last 25 years because we build them using only the highest quality commercial-grade components. We reinforce our controls to endure extreme moisture and temperatures. We protect them to withstand prolonged vibration. And we build in superior surge protection to reduce the possibility of damage from power surges. Then put them through rigorous testing in extreme conditions. It's why only Speed Queen offers the industry's best warranties. And our electronic controls have a proven record with more than 500,000 installations currently in use in commercial environments around the globe. Load after load, experience the unmatched quality and dependability delivered by Speed Queen electronic controls.